In this video, let me show you how to comment photos on TikTok. To comment photo on TikTok, go to the comment section of a video. If the feature is enabled for that video, tap the speech bubble icon, then look for a small photo icon next to the emoji button and the comment field. Tap it, select an image from your device's gallery, post it. If you don't see the photo icon, the feature might not be available to you yet. TikTok rolls out new features gradually, meaning some users or regions may get access before others. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as updates often include new tools. Also, note some features may only work on specific devices or operating systems. If the feature still doesn't appear, you may simply need to wait for it to become available in your region. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.